Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? I hope you all fine. Okay ji student, today we have in order 1 to 10. We have activity in order 1 to 10. ओके अहमद, मेरे साथ जो है अहमद हैं, ये पीजी का स्टूडेंट्स है। ये आज आपको बताएगा कि 1 to 10 इन ऑर्डर एक्टिविटी कैसे यहाँ पे वो पुट करेगा। ओके जी अहमद, डू यू नो अबाउट इन ऑर्डर? ठीक है, ओके। Arrange here number, arrange in order 1 to 10 here. Okay, which number will come first?
1.
1. Which number will come first?
1.
1. Number 1. Okay. Number 1. And after number 1, which will come? Which number will come?
Number 2.
2. Number
2.
2. And after 2?
Number 3.
3. Number
3.
3. Which number will come after 2?
Number 3.
Okay, count.
1.
Okay, read number
1, 2, 3.
3. Okay ji, next which number will come after 3?
4.
4. Which number will come after 3?
4.
4. And next number which will come after 4?
5.
5. Which number will come after 5? 4. 5. Okay, now next again count here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Number
5.
5. Okay, next number will come after 5. Which number?
6.
6. Number
6.
6. Number
6.
6. Okay, next
Number 7.
7. Which will come number?
Number 7.
7. Okay ji, next number?
Number 8.
8. Number
8.
8. And number? Next?
9.
9. Number?
9.
And next number?
10.
10. This is the last number. This is the
10.
10 last number. Okay, now read it from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Okay, this is the which number?
2,
And this is?
5,
And this is?
7,
And this is?
9,
And this?
10.
10. Okay, again, which number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. ओके जी स्टूडेंट्स, हमने आज 1 to 10 जो है इन ऑर्डर एक्टिविटी भी कंप्लीट कर ली है। आई होप आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी कि इन ऑर्डर अगर लिखना हो तो आप कैसे अरेंज करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफिज।